So getting straight into the video, I'm going to show you the equipment. Here is a crochet needle which you need. It has a latch and a hook. These are some crochet twists that I made from some extensions, and it has a hole where you can attach to the hook of the crochet needle. Here is a parting comb which you need for parting your hair. Here is a hair comb. Some hair bands are very needed, and some hair clips if you want to, attach them to your hair. Ooh. Let's begin. So now I'm just starting by parting my hair from the middle. And usually when we were young, this is what we used to do: start from the nose. Our hairstylist would do this and part our hair to get that straight middle cut. And after I've done that, I'm going to secure the rest of my hair to one side so it doesn't bother me while I start my cornrows. So I've done that, and I'm looking like a young girl now. So now I'm just dividing one section, starting by taking from, you can start from any side. I'm starting from my left side, and I'm just following the line with my hand. I'm just tracing it, and that's how I get to section my hair myself. Secure the rest of the hair, and then I'm going to start just using 3 parts of the hair and then taking the rest of the hair along with it. So that's basically what I'm doing. I will show you properly with the next hair how I did that. I don't know why I'm speaking in Yoruba. How? Ow. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, and doing the cornrows. Just taking and then taking more and going down to the rest of the hair. Make sure you pull your ear aside so it doesn't, disturb the process. So that's what I'm doing, and then I finish that section of hair. So you see, just braiding it in between, taking, and you just need 3 sections of hair to make a cornrow. That is all you need. This is the one I'm going to show you properly. So I took the first one, the second, that's the second section, and the third one. So now there are 3, and then I keep going and taking more section of hair, making sure it's as tight as possible. Then I continue down to the back of the hair. And then when you finish it up, just make sure you twist the rest of it. Like, I'll show you what I mean. Just twist it like that. I'm going to start applying the hair, the twist, but first of all, I'm going to join the ends of this together. Then I'm just going to tuck in the end. This hair, last summer, I learned how to twist them, so I twisted them and brought them to Romania to crochet them. So this is how we're going to do it. We will pass the crochet in between the hair, like this. Then we will take the hair and pass the hole around the hook. Then we close it with the latchet. Then we'll pass it in between the hair. We take the hook out. We put it in again. Then we catch the end of the hair. Close it again. Take it in between. So like making a knot. Once you brought the hair in between your hair, you make a knot with the braid. And that's it. So easy. So easy. And then we'll do it for the rest of the hair. Do another one, and then I'll do it for the rest of the hair. So same thing we did, we just pass the crochet, we take the hair, put it on the hook, and we close it, pass the hair in, crochet in again, catch the end. Every time you put it, make sure you close it, and then we pass it in between the hair, pull it to tighten it, and that's it. Let me do the rest and then I'll show you guys the results. So now, as you can see, I'm almost done. I'll just show you the last crochet. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to put the crochet needle in between the hair, like under the hair, and stabilize the needle. Then I'm going to take the hole from the crochet twist and hook it on the hook. Close the latch, pull the hair under, and then catch the end of the hair again, close the latch again, and then I tighten the knot, and that is it. As simple as that. And as you can see, the hair is done, and you can style your hair anyhow you want with this hairstyle. You can have a middle parting, or you can have a side parting, and it's clear, no one sees anything. And you can pose. You can go to the other side as well, a left side parting. And see, this is why I like this hairstyle. I look so tired, like I used a day to make this hairstyle. So I hope you learned something from this. This is the back of the hair. So this is how it looks like, and you can make a ponytail from this hairstyle and it looks normal. It looks normal. And this is it. I hope you learned something. See you next time. Bye bye.